Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to enable script authorization in Google Apps Script. So this is our Google Sheet. So we already added code. Now you see order button. So when we click on it, then you see pop-up authorization required. A script attached to this document need your permission to run. We have order button. When we click on fetch order, then we see this pop-up, but you don't see any order button or any script button to run code. Now cancel. So we are going to allow permission. Now you see extension, so click on it, and then you see app script, so again click on it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our code. On left side you see trigger, so click on it. So this is our trigger. Now you see edit pencil icon, so click on it, and then you see save, so click on it. Now you see sign in, so click on it. So we are going to verify this app, so click on it. Now you see Google has not verified this app. Now you see advanced, so again click on it, and then you see again go to untitled project unsave, so click on it. Again you see allow button, so again click on it. Now you see done. Now go to document again and refresh the page. Now you see order button. So we already added code, so click on it, and then you see fetch order, so again click on it. Now you see running script. Now you see we enable script authorization. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.